Quick tip for beginners: when working in Houdini, you would want your network editor to be visible the most after your scene view. This is the default workspace when you open Houdini. So what you can do is click this tiny drop down in the parameter pane and click close pane all tabs. And then while your mouse pointer is still in the network editor, hit P on your keyboard. And your network editor should not be empty when you do this, else it won't show up. There have to be nodes for the parameter editor to show up. Without any nodes, if you keep hitting P, it will give you this no operator selected message. So you need to have nodes and keep them selected for this parameter editor to show up. If you just want to go back to the previous workspace, you can do that by going here and clicking reload current desktop. You can also save your workspace so that it's easier for you to use it. You can do that by going here and click on save the desktop as, and you can rename it. It will show a pop-up that it got saved, and you'll find this in the drop down here, so you can switch back and forth from here. So yeah, that's a mini tip from the series Houdini Minis. This was There's a Note for That, and I'll catch you in the next video.